This is the current state of our attic. I've been using the attic to sell some item on eBay. The plan for the attic is to convert it into our master bedroom. It is a nice size up there. There are 3 windows. The plan is to add layers of foam board insulation, then add fiberglass insulation on top of that. I found a great deal on this half-inch foam board insulation. I applied 2 layers in the ceiling. I took measurement of one side of the roof because they are about the same size, then cut multiple foam board at the same time, and they apply evenly on both sides. Then I moved to the exterior wall. I added 1 layer of this foam board insulation. Then I apply spray foam to the corner to seal all the area. Next, I apply the fiberglass insulation and then staple it in place. This is how the section turned out. I will be using the same method to apply the fiberglass insulation in the ceiling. I will be using the same method to completely insulate the attic, which will bring it closer of being our master bedroom.